Muhammad teaches you a slave is equal to his master. Is Black Bilal, who I paid money for, equal to me?
Yes. Muhammad says, before God, all men are as equal as the teeth of a comb.
This is a very pleasant idea to slaves and beggars. It gives them pretensions.
Bilal, teach this man the difference between a lord of Mecca and a slave. Take that whip, lash his face to teach his mouth a lesson. Whip him! Whip him!
Cut it. Do it, bro.
Obey them.
They'll kill you.
See what anarchy they bring. They've even infected our slaves.
I bought your humanity, Bilal, when I bought you. You will be corrected.